What's going on, guys? So in this training video, I'll be going over how to build out a awesome growth tool that you guys can use for creating stickers. If your client wants to do flyers, maybe they're selling a home, these are actually perfect for the little flyers you put out in front of the for sale sign of the home you're selling. This growth tool is going to be a bear with me, it just completely lost my mind. The Messenger code, Facebook Messenger code growth tool. This one, guys, is going to be, again, super important for somebody that wants to utilize the factor that somebody can scan a code from their smartphone directly into Messenger and get the first message. You do have to be subscribed to Pro for this, but I'm going to show you out how to build out one of these bad boys. And then kind of where you could use one of these. So let's just dive right in, guys. I'm going to go ahead and create one of these little guys. Let's go ahead and name this. Say I want to, for this purpose, I'm going to do sell a home. Messenger code. Boom. Let's hit save. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and create a different type of flow that I have. Maybe I have, where is it? Maybe I already have a flow for real estate. And I can do for selling a home. Maybe I already have one, sell a property. Boom. Maybe I want to just go ahead and sell a property. Boom. So I've got that one already typed in. Now, of course, if you're going to edit one and build out one, you would just go to the edit to create the one that you would like. Make sure you have a starting one. I might have to adjust this one. Not 100% sure. Let's see, Messenger code. So once I am done with the Messenger code, I can create, a size of how big I would like this. Say I want this, 500. It's going to be a smaller, so I'm going to download the code image, and this is actually going to download directly onto my computer, so that when I pull this up, let me pull this up real quick, it's going to give me this little code right here. So it's downloaded, boom. I can actually print this off and use this to send to people. Maybe I want to install this onto a flyer, building out a flyer in Canva. Is a free software you can, or free website, you can put this directly on. And they're going to have to scan this directly onto their phone. So for example, if I'm going to pull out my smartphone here, I've got my smartphone in my hand. For those of you that are paying attention down below into the little small screen, I'm going to pull up my Messenger real quick, and I'm going to scan that code to show you guys exactly what it is that I'm talking about. So bear with me 1 second. So I think if I just put in the code, you've opened up a Messenger conversation with Messenger code. Ian Marshall can now see that you scanned the code. So now I've scanned the code. It should go ahead and send me the first message. Now it's not going to, as you see, I have not activated this. So if I activate this widget, now let's download this code again. Let me go ahead and open this code, and I'm going to, again, scan this. So the way you can scan this is just simply pulling up your camera inside of the Messenger, and then just simply hold over of the code. Now, as you see on my phone, it actually sent the first message right here. It actually popped in and showed the first message. So then I would type in and put in the address of the property. Now, this goes with any type of growth tool. Guys, you can utilize this with anything. And I can take this little, cutout, and I can basically put this on any type of flyer, brochure. I can reach out to possibly even getting this made as a sticker. So this type of growth tool isn't going to be used, again, as like placing an ad, but you are going to be using this growth tool for other purposes but you still want to gain those leads inside of ManyChat. So say you want to be real creative. For example, let's put out, maybe you want to, now I wouldn't do this personally, but that's just me. Maybe you want to print out 50 to 100 flyers with a message that you can post at certain businesses, or give them something, maybe even in your proposal, give them this code printed out. And now with this code, they'll be able to read your proposal or read a description about you and why you want to help their business, and even get an example of how they can help you with Messenger, and then scan that code directly. Some people don't like using this. Some people like using the ref URL, but when it comes to an actual printed off document, these work perfect because everybody has a smartphone. All they have to do is just scan this directly into their phone. So this was a quick little training video of how to set one of these guys up. Again, once you want this to not be active, just click unactive right now and put it into draft mode, and it will deactivate it. So boom, I'm going to deactivate this widget and turn this off. Now, if I wanted to go back and say I wanted to change this code, I can change this message in any way. Say I wanted to actually, say I want to actually replace this with another one. Again, I can go in any type of other flow. Maybe I had a fitness and I wanted to do a fitness page opt-in, or maybe I want to go back and I've got a restaurant. And I'm going to show a restaurant how, give them a menu, give people a menu, boom, simply like that. And even if I wanted to, start something completely new, I can hit create new flow, or in the beginning, just hit edit the original message that pops up. So that is how to create a Facebook Messenger code growth tool inside the Messenger bot mastery section inside the Academy.